Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to get more resolution options in Windows 11, which is also works for Windows 10. Right click on the start icon and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on System on the left hand side. Scroll down and click on Display under the System section. After that, scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Then click on Display Adapter Properties. In the new window, click on List All Modes. Here, you'll find all the valid resolution and refresh rate options. Select the desired resolution and refresh rate that suits your preferences. And after you do all of that, click OK to apply the changes. And that's it, you've successfully expanded your resolution options in Windows 11 and 10. Experiment with different settings and resolutions to find what works best for you. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.